Hey, welcome back, guys. So today on this video, we are talking about your KashFlow by Iris account, and more specifically, I'm going to quickly answer a question I keep getting a lot on my other video, and that is, how do you delete or remove an admin or a team member from your KashFlow account? So let's go ahead and talk about this. First off, guys, real quick video, not too many steps involved, so be sure to stick around to the end of the video. But why would you want to remove an admin or a team member in your KashFlow account anyways? Well, that's pretty easy. If you're running an online business, you know that you probably work with a lot of different VAs or assistants, but sometimes they decide to go their own way, so you need to remove access to your KashFlow account. Whatever the case is, it's a pretty easy process. It's handled here in your KashFlow dashboard. Check my video description. I'll try to leave the written instructions there as well. But I've already logged into my KashFlow account, and this is the home screen. Now here on the home screen, if you need to remove admin access, you're going to click on your initials here on the top right. Once you do that, you'll see a drop-down menu, and you want to click here, Account Settings. All right, once you do that, you're going to see a lot of different options, but you want to look for this box called Your Account. Inside that box, you're going to see this button here called Additional Users. It has 3 little characters next to it. Okay, once you click there, you're going to see all the team members or users and admins that you have in your KashFlow account. You can see I just have my account and then this person right here. And in order to delete or remove them, just click on their name. Once you click on their name, you're going to see more information about their role. And in order to delete them as an admin, up here on the right in the top, there's a trash can. Go ahead and click on there. All right, next you're going to get this warning. Are you sure you want to delete this user from your KashFlow account? Go ahead and click on OK. Okay, a quick second later, the page refreshes back to the user screen. You can see that person has now been deleted from my KashFlow account, so they will no longer have access to my invoicing, to my banking, unless I decide to re-add them in the future. So there you have it, guys. If you're wondering how to delete or remove an admin or a team member in your KashFlow account, that's the easiest way I know how to do it. If you know an easier way, be sure to leave a comment below. Let the rest of us know how you did it. Hopefully you found that video useful. If so, click thumbs up, or maybe consider subscribing to my channel, and I hope to see you on the next video. Thanks again for watching.